down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yan ang strumming ng unang banataan dito kay Ox lang ako, J. Roa. Okay? Down, up, the up, down, up, the up, down, up, the up, down. Mamaya, mag-iiba ang strumming niya sa bandang refrain. Okay? Chords. Umpisa na natin. D. Oops. Kung napanood niyo yung video, nakagamit siya ng capo. Hindi tayo gagamit ng capo para sa mga walang capo. Okay? D. Okay? Strumming. Down, up, the up, down, up, the up, down, up, the up, down, up, the up, A. Up, down, up, down, up, the up, down, up, the up, down, up, down. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa. Okay? Parang counting bago maglipat. 1. Ulit. Bilisan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Tapos, ganun pa rin, pagdating doon sa verse, sa una niyang kakantahin, ganun pa rin ang strumming, pero mas mabilis ang lipat ng chord. So, ito yung ibig ko sabihin. 6 counts yung kanina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lipat ka agad. Okay? So, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan. Yan yung sa una niyang pagkanta. 1, 2, 3. Saan ito patungo? Patungo ka saan? Yun. So, ganun lang ang chords. D, A. Kanta ka lang ng kanta hanggang sa pagdating doon sa hindi ka na natutuwa kung may pasalubong ako isaw. Tapos puro D yan. La 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 ihaw. Diba meron ganun? Yun. Yan. Pagpasok nitong nagbago na, iba na ang strumming yan. So, ang chords, F sharp, D, A, E. Okay? Ano strumming? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? F sharp, D, A, E. F sharp. Baka gusto nyo matutunan tong hindi ipit. Ito ang ginagawa kong alternative sa F sharp minor. Sorry, F sharp minor pala. A mo, i-A mo. Pero wag mong gamitin tong hintuturo dahil dadalhin mo ito sa F sharp. Yan. Okay. So, A na F sharp. Parang ganon. 4th string and 3rd string sa 2nd fret. Tapos, 6th string, 2nd fret. Yan. Oh. Tapos, 3 beses yun. Tapos ng 3 beses na pattern na yan, D. Itong puro D na to, ito yung ang gusto ko lang naman. Yan, may gano'n naman. Tapos, iba na naman chords. Yakapin mo ako. Yun. Down, up, the up, down, up, the up, down, down, up, the up, down, up, the up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, the up, down, down, up, the up, down, up, the up, down. Dagdagan mo pa yung strumming. Strumming. Down, sorry. Down, up, the up, down, up, the up, down, down, up. Yun. Down, up, the up, down, up, the up, down. down, up, down, up, up, down. Yun. So, yun, F sharp. Tinuro ko, pwedeng gamitin nyo yun. So, dalawang beses yun. Yakabi ako. Let's say, ito na yung pangalawang beses. La, la. Tapos, B minor. Ano yun? Ano pala yun? Drama pala yun. Huwag kang mag-alala. Ox lang ako. D. So, yun. Okay lang ako. Oo, D and A lang naman to. Tapos, okay lang ako. Okay lang ako. La 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 la. Tapos, itong okay lang ako, mga ganong kantahan, uulitin mo lang yung mula doon sa nagbago. Bago ka na, yun. Ulitin nyo lang yan. Tapos hanggang sa yakapin mo ako. Tapos ox lang ako. Tapos, ayun na, yung meron na siya mga matataas na boses na yun lang, D and A lang hanggang sa mag-ending na yung kanta. Okay lang ako. Okay lang ako. Ba't di mo pala ako nagsusuklay? Okay lang ako. Paring Don, enjoy jamming. J. Roa.